Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Keith here from Rivers, Ponds and Campfires. I'm joined today by one of my two cats. This is Cleo. And I'm excited today to announce that there's a partnership, a collaboration between Engwe Electric Bikes and Rivers, Ponds and Campfires. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and assembling a brand new L20 2.0 electric bike from Engwe. And I'm really excited to get at that. I've been doing a little bit of research on this bike now since the company contacted me and expressed interest in doing a collaboration. So all the stuff that I've seen online, this is really neat bike, really cool, and I'm excited to incorporate this into the channel now over the next little while. As you probably noticed there, as I was getting off the rowing machine, I broke my ankle a couple weeks back. I was up in the woods actually filming for Rivers, Ponds and Campfires. I had to have surgery on the foot. I was walking around for 2 or 3 days before I even went to the doctor. I thought it was just a bad sprain, but no, I actually had a bone broke, so they had to do surgery on it. Anyway, I'm out of commission for another 3 to 4 weeks before I can resume some light activity, putting weight on the foot. But one cool thing is I have lots of adventures already filmed for Rivers, Ponds and Campfires, so it gives me some time now where I have to recover. I can spend some extra time in editing and get those videos out. So I'm excited then, hopefully, if all goes well with my recovery, maybe I can get this Engwe L20 2.0 electric bike out for an overnighter before the snow hits in hopefully late December. If not, we'll get that out for sure next spring, early spring, and put this Engwe electric bike to the test. But anyway, let's get this L20 2.0 electric bike from Engwe unboxed, and let's start putting this together. Okay, so it comes with a little tool kit for assembly and for maintenance, I'm sure. We got the user manual. We've got the user manual. So we hold on to that and looking at the specs and everything later. This is the user manual for the battery charger. Comes with a little bike pump, pretty cool. And here is the charger itself, power cord. Keep all that over there. And there's also a little zip tie there. So a little zip tie to be able to put some of the cords in it together after, I'm sure. One of the cool things about this bike is it comes with some accessories. So it comes with the front and rear fenders. And also it has a back carrying rack, so that's going to be really neat for when I get up and do some e-bike camping and be able to put backpack and some other gear on the back of that. So that's awesome. Let's tear this down now and see the bike itself. Okay. So this is a fat tire bike as well, which is awesome. I haven't driven a fat tire bike before, yet alone an electric fat tire bike, so I'm excited to test that out. I like the color of it too. Alright guys, so we got everything unboxed. I am now going to start in doing the assembly. So I got everything moved over this way, and I don't think there is as much to assemble as what I was originally thinking there was going to be. So there's a lot of stuff, like I say, down packaged, but that's a good sign. Engwe obviously does a good job packaging their products well to make sure that they don't get damaged in delivery. So anyway, let's see what the first step is down to assembling the Engwe L20 2.0 electric bike. Basically got it all together now. I'm just going over all the nuts and bolts, and I just got to secure the rear bike rack. I'm really liking the rear bike rack because my current bike that I have doesn't have any like cargo racks or anything like that, so this is going to make it a lot easier for bringing backpack and other gear along for camping and just for riding around, taking it back and forth to work. Hopefully I won't be too much longer. Get back on the go after my foot heals, and we'll get this out and put it to the test. I'll definitely be doing some more updates of the L20 2.0 once I'm back and on my feet again, and out doing some things for Rivers, Ponds and Campfires. Little channel update too. Even though I'm off the feet now for a little while, recovering from my ankle surgery, I have lots of adventures that I've already recorded over the past 2 months or so, so this gives me lots of time now to be able to do some editing and get those videos out to you guys in the next month and a half, 2 months. So I'm anticipating that I can release some videos now a little bit quicker, the ones that I have already shot, because I have some more time on my hands. So once again, Engwe, explore a new way. Rivers, Ponds and Campfires looking forward to exploring a new way with the Engwe L20 2.0 electric bike. We'll catch you next time on Rivers, Ponds and Campfires.